Rhema Worship Center International presents Back to School Explosion 2010, Friday, August 27th and Saturday, August 28th. Wanted, Generation Great. On Friday, August 27th at 7:30 p.m., featuring Be Love, choirs, steppers, dancers, and a teen after party. You do not want to miss it. Then on Saturday, August 28th at 4 p.m., a free community concert with Community Baptist Church at McKay Park, Inglewood, New Jersey, featuring J.J. Harrison and Youthful Praise, DJ Why Not, and our guest speaker for the afternoon, Minister Todd Tribbett. Other guests include Rhema Worship Center's Praise and Worship Team, Community Baptist Church Choir, praise dancers, mimes, and rappers. Back to School Explosion 2010. You are wanted. Reward paid by Christ.